Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So today I am going to show you my toy. What is this children? It is a toy. But I will tell you one more thing. What I am doing, see here. See, these are what? Coins. Just I am keeping it inside. This is kiddie bank children. So this kiddie bank is useful for me to save my money. So kiddie bank is always it is very useful for us because to save money we will use kiddie bank in our houses. Now when you need any new dress, if you want to wear new dress, then from where you will get new dress children? You will get new dress from shop. You will go to shop and you will purchase new dress. So after going to shop, just like that you will bring the new dress. They will give you free? No, they won't give you for free the new dress. You have to purchase that new dress. So in order to purchase it, what you have to do? You have to pay money. So if you pay money, you will get new dress. Okay? Suppose you want to purchase vegetables. So if you want to purchase vegetables, where you will go to buy vegetables? You will go to the market. So after going to the market, the shopkeeper will give just like that only the vegetables for free? No, there also we have to pay money. Then only we will get the vegetables. So here everywhere if you want to purchase something, you require money. We require money. So by observing these two, can you tell me today's topic? Yes, today's topic is chapter 4 money. We are going to discuss chapter 4 money. So before starting this chapter, money is also called, we will call it as currency, like that. Now Indian money, we are living in which country children? India. So Indian money is called rupees and paisa. So Indian money is called what children? Rupees and paisa. Now the symbol for rupees. The symbol for rupees is, this is the symbol for rupees children. Now the symbol for paisa is P. This is the symbol for paisa. So our Indian money is called rupees and paisa. Now the symbol for rupees is this one children. The symbol for rupees is this one, and the symbol for paisa is P. So now you understood, no? Rupees symbol and paisa symbol. Now I will show you the money. Indian money in this way. In coins, Indian money we can see in the form of coins and in the form of notes. So coins, here you can see some coins children. This is 50 paisa coin. So 50 paisa coin, when we are small, we used to use this 50 paisa coin, but now we are not using this 50 paisa coin. Only we are using 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee, you can write, it is written as rupee 1. Symbol should come in the front, but you will read it as 1 rupee. Okay. Now 2 rupees. This is 2 rupees coin. This one 2 rupees is written as in this way. Okay. 2 rupees. Symbol first and then the number. 5 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin children. These are all are used. We are using this money now. Now this is 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Rupees 10. And this is 20 rupees, which is the latest one. I got this one So it is now used regularly. This 20 rupees coin also is available in the market. So these are all coins, children. And here coming to the notes, we have, you know already, this these notes are used by your parents when they purchase something. You will see the notes. Now here 5 rupees, 5 rupees is written as rupees 5. So symbol will come first. Now this is 10 rupees, this is 20 rupees, and 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, this is 200 rupees note, and this is 500 rupees note. This is 2000 rupees note, children. These are all different types of notes, and we will write this 10 rupees also, rupees 10, in the same way how we will write for paisa. Okay. Now this is 20 rupees note. These are all notes and these are all coins, children. Hope you understood this coins and notes, children. Now coming back to the next part. Here already you know the symbols and you know the coins. Now rupee 1 is equal to 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. That means 100 paisa. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So the value of 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So for 1 rupee you can, in olden days, means in previous days, we used to use 50 paisa, and 50 paisa we used to pay for for 1 rupee. Now coming to rupees 2, shall we see how many 50 paisas are used for 2 rupees? Now 50 paisas, how many we will use for 2 rupees? We will see, children. This 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. That means if you add these two, you will get 100 paisa plus, and these two paisas make 100 paisa. That means 200 paisa. So rupees 2 is equal to 200 paisa, children. So how many 50 paisas are equal to 2 rupees? 4 50 paisas are equal to 2 rupees. So 2 rupees is equal to 200 paisa. Okay, children. Hope you understood this. Now we will see the other concept.